Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to the tutorial part 1 for my clay necklace. I also will be doing a tutorial for my key to my heart necklace, which will be uploaded sometime in the future. There will be more videos for the 7 days of Valentine with more projects. So be sure to check back on my channel, subscribe, like my videos. Click the bell icon to get notifications if I upload another video. And also share these videos if you like them on your social media accounts. That would be greatly appreciated. I am showing you the end results and after that you have a full tutorial on how I made them, including the special technique that I used on the big heart. So this is how they turned out. Here I just put on a cover of nail polish. These two were the same. And on this one I added my intense color eye mousse. And on this one I'm gonna try the golden one. I also did the edges. Not sure if you can see that. So you hope that the raised edges will catch on. And this one just tones it down and just gives it a slight little shimmer. Oh, I like that. Not sure if you can see the cool shimmer it gives. Oh, and of course I needed to do an eyelet in there, so let's see if that works out when they are dry. I think I like that. So I'm gonna push it through. Oops. Hope it will go. Yeah. And I think they are not completely dry yet. So I'm not gonna pinch too hard. It's just it. Just give it a little hint of shimmer. It's a little bit too much. Oh yes, that's pretty. I absolutely love this one. This is super pretty. Wow, I love this one. I can do a few things with them. I can hang them on a necklace or use them as a tag. So you let me know, what would you do with it? Maybe you have a completely different idea. And the nearest thing I could find in my room was a little can of shaving cream. So I'm gonna roll with that, but first I'm taking my whatever, something flat. In this case my neon colors, it doesn't matter what it is. It's just to make it a little bit flatter. And then we're gonna roll it. And now I want to make a heart shape. Now I want a stamp in there. Let's see, I have some different stamp set. A rose would be cute. Or a saying. So it's always good to check the back sides to make the side smooth there as well. So I'm pushing a little harder this time. Carefully lift it up. Yes. I'm gonna let this one dry because I will paint over it. Now this one. Do the other side as well. I think I want this one a little bit bigger, so I'm going to take a chance and roll this and hope the heart shape will stay. Alright, and maybe this one will fit now. Not really. Okay. It's a bit more. Oh, and I also want a hole in there. And I thought I should do that with my hole punch. I have no idea if this will work. So we'll see. This might be a little bit big hole. Okay. I'm thinking if I let it dry and I do it then, it might break. Oh, it worked, guys, it worked. Got myself a hole in there. Okay, this one I'm gonna let dry like this. Ooh, I'm hoping this works. I'm gonna take this really old stamp set. I have a Cupid, that's too big. I have a love that's also just too big. I have these love birds, Cupids, another Cupid. Yep, let's do Cupid. There we go again. And you see, hole punch, and get my clay out of the hole. Put that thing in. It's in there. Woohoo! See, sometimes you just have to try things to see if it works. I will let these dry and come back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and check back for part 2 of the tutorial and also for more videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.